Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Confirm battery 20% and backup important data because you may need to uninstall apps or reset. Look for the safe mode label at a corner to verify state. Once confirmed, perform a normal reboot by holding power and tapping restart. Make sure to watch the boot message. If the phone boots normally, you're done. If it returns to safe mode, proceed immediately to targeted removal of problematic apps. Don't delay. You're in the critical phase. Find the offending app. First, if not already in safe mode, long press power off, and confirm reboot to safe mode so only system apps run. Once isolated, open Settings right arrow apps, sort by install date, and uninstall the most recent or suspicious apps one at a time. After each uninstall, clear that app's cache and then reboot normally to check whether safe mode clears. This isolates the culprit without data loss. You finish by applying deeper fixes. Boot into recovery, power plus volume up on most Poco models, choose wipe cache partition and reboot. This often resolves stuck safe mode without losing data. If the problem persists, back up everything and perform a factory reset from Settings right arrow system right arrow reset options. Make sure you sign back into your accounts afterwards. Troubleshooting tip. If safe mode still returns, suspect a corrupted system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.